Hi everyone! Today is the 1st of December, so I'm going to show you how you can make this really easy Christmas tree advent calendar at home. You're going to need at least 6 toilet roll tubes, paint, scissors, a piece of card and some sellotape. Start by drawing round one of your tubes 12 times on the piece of card. Draw a roughly 1-inch square tab on the edge of each circle. Then cut your 6 toilet roll tubes in half to make 12 pieces. Next you need to paint all of your tubes in circles. 10 should be green and 2 should be brown. It doesn't matter if these are not perfectly done by your little ones. When the paint is dry, cut out your circles. These are going to make the doors for your advent calendar. Start taping together your tubes. You need 1 row of 4 tubes, 1 row of 3 tubes and 2 rows of 2 tubes. One of these should be the 2 brown tubes. Stack these on top of each other in a pyramid shape and secure them with tape. Now you've made a tree shape. Attach a door to each tube by taping the extra tab you've put onto the circle onto the inside of the tube and folding it over. Now you've made your Christmas tree advent calendar. Number the doors 1 to 12 ready to count down to Christmas and add any decorations you'd like for your tree. I've made a star for the top of mine. You can see I've only done my advent calendar for 12 days, but if you can find enough tubes you'll be able to make yours for 24. If you've got a kitchen roll tube, there's enough here to make 5 little sections out of it. Now you can fill up your advent calendar with a treat for every day in the run up to Christmas.